This doesn't usually happen. Working overdressed, I went straight from work to the garden. It's the peak of the activity at the garden, that's why. It's time to transplant our water spinach, or kangkong. Please join me at the garden for some learning and fun, and bird song. Yes, you might say I'm overdressed for this task, but the lighting condition is favorable. That's why we are planting our, what's this? Kangkong, or water spinach. Not only that, for the first time we reached 24 degrees, so it's time to bring this out. But not completely out. They have a dedicated place for this. They have a small greenhouse. Join me, let's plant our kangkong. Now we have the tools. This is the place. This isn't the first time I'm using this. They've been planting kangkong here for several years and it's always been a success. It's properly enclosed, so we mimic the tropical conditions. I won't be planting all this, I won't bore you, but just to inspire you, I'll be planting, I think, 3. Look, if you look at this, they begin to look how beautiful are the root system. They're really ready for transplanting. I mixed compost with the garden soil here, so I'm sure it will have good retention of water. One more. Hey, there you have it, just a teaser. Hoping I've inspired you to grow, cook and share. Grow kangkong or water spinach wherever you are in the world. Make a protection like this. Now it's time to water them. Stay there, we're going to water. It's a challenge. It's high. Oh, that's good. And we cover. What? It's tricky, really. While I struggle with this, enjoy the birds. Embarrassing. Thank you for joining me here. Join me again next time as we harvest and cook this, eventually later in the summer. See you next time. Bye-bye. And to end our shoot, let's attempt to make a good thumbnail shot. I usually forget this, but I don't know. This is needed, I think, according to YouTube. Okay, thank you.